In this video, I will show you how to add Mollie to Shopify. So if you want to start using Mollie to take payments and you want to add it to your Shopify store, what you will need to do is just go to settings in the bottom left, and from there head into the payment section, and then here click on add payment method. Now instead of payment method, search by provider, and here just search for Mollie. Now you can see there are a bunch of options available to use Mollie, so you can select whichever ones you want. For example, for this video, I'll go with Ideal. And then here, just gonna click on it, and then click on Install. Then it will redirect you. Here, just click Connect via Mollie. And then from here, you can go and log into your Mollie account or sign up if you don't have an account yet. Now you can then later also set up more, for example, Mollie Klarna or any of the other options that Mollie has available. So as well, credit card, bank contact, Alma, and more. So now you know how to add Mollie to Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.